and a pen. We'll do a small Kaizen. Yes, I could see Muthu Saravanan having a paper and a pen. I hope all of you have the paper and pen. And please do come on video. I'll give you, what are you supposed to do. See, according to Henry Ford, there are no big problems. There are just lots of little problems. I hope this is true in every company, right? The companies, they are talking about big problems. Why big problems are happening? Because they do small mistakes. If you don't attend the mistakes when they are small, that will actually cause a big problem. So only to eradicate this, eliminate these kind of bigger problem, we will work out all the problems when they are small enough to solve it. And for that, we need to involve every department, possibly every employee in the organization. That approach is called Kaizen. And now, Kaizen or lean, everything is all about simplifying our work. Simplifying the work will amplify our results. Simplifying our work will amplify our results, and that is what we are going to understand now. What I do is, I will show a set of numbers and symbols on my screen. I will show it only for 45 seconds. I will show it only for 45 seconds. What all of you have to do is, you just have to memorize the numbers and symbols. Don't be over smart and don't write when I show. You just memorize. After 45 seconds, I will advise you to write it. That time only you must write it. Is that instruction clear to all of you? So 45 seconds,
Yes,
right?
yes, sir.
So your time starts now. So this was easy, right? So the numbers and symbols, hope you have memorized. Now you need to write the numbers and symbol in the same manner. If you can match the number and symbol, you get one score, right? And now how much time do you want? Already you started writing. Give me some commitment. How much time you require to reproduce? Come on, we need numbers. This is Six Sigma
60
approach.
seconds.
Very good. So 60 seconds. No, I will give you only 45 seconds. Try your best, all of you. And your time starts now. So 5 more seconds. Yes, all of you, please stop writing. And now we'll go for the assessment, right? Even if you have not completed, stop writing. I'll show you the results. You can verify yourself and tell me your score out of 10. You can now verify. If you have number and symbol matching, put a tick. Otherwise, put a cross. And tell me your score. How much do you score? No problem. I feel
6.
5 on 10, sir.
very good.
6, sir.
5 out of 10 from Padmaja. Suresh is 6 out of 10. Achakam,
6, sir.
6 out of 10. Two.
5 out of 10.
Adhir Singh is 5 out of 10. How about Muthu Saravanan?
6.
6. Patrice, how much you got? 4. 4 out of 10. How about others? Don't want to share
8,
your.
sir.
3,
So,
sir.
Dharani-
7, sir.
6, sir.
Dharani got 5. Venkatesh got 7.
5.
5. Muthu Mugilvanan got 5. Anybody got 10 out of 10? Are we effective? You're not effective. And efficient? Is that time wise you are okay? 45 seconds? All right. Now, where is the problem? Problem is with the people or with the something else? Where is the problem? We generally quickly conclude that people are the problem, right? That's how we go wrong in our business also. And now Kaizen is, thinking out of the box and criticize your process, criticize your resources, criticize your approach, and then make things easier for people. Make things easier for people. The same set of people will produce dramatic, results. So let us do a small Kaizen here. So now I'm going to change a bit here. You see here, I'm showing the same numbers and symbols. Do you find the numbers and symbols same?
Yes.
But is it little better? Easy for you?
Sir.
Okay. So that means when you see this slide now, your scores are going to improve. That means your effectiveness will improve. Your scores improve means your effectiveness improve. I want 10 out of 10. Do you think you will score 10 out of 10 with this? If you see it for 45 seconds, will you be able to score 10 out of 10? Possible? Right? We'll try.
Yes.
You can try.
We'll try. So I'll show it again. But again, always, your boss will challenge you, isn't it? So I'm going to reduce your time, not 45 seconds. I'll give you only 30 seconds now. So let me show, and then time is only 30 seconds. "30 seconds gone. And now you can try. That is also 30 seconds only. Okay, time up. Time up. Shall we go for the evaluation, self-evaluation? Okay. So you can check your score and let me know whether there is an improvement in the effectiveness. So what are your new scores?
10.
10.
10 means 10, 5 from 5 to 10. Very good. Dear Singh, 9 out of 10.
10 out of
10 out. That means all of you have raised your level of performance from 5 and 6 to now 9 and 10. So effectiveness improves when you simplify any process, when you simplify any system. Clear? Your efficiency will also improve in the process. Your efficiency will also improve. Earlier, I gave you 45 seconds. You struggle, you managed to get only 5 or 6. But next, I gave you only 30 seconds. But you are able to get 9 and 10. Is that still somebody finding it difficult? Definitely there will be one such person. Still finding it difficult. Anybody here still finding it difficult? Not able to get 9 or 10? Now again, I have some solution for you. Same numbers and same symbols. Is it now easier? Much easier? And now
Yes, sir.
when I show the third picture, how much time do you think you may require to store?
Yes, sir.
To store this information, how much time you will require storing this information in your brain?
Seconds.
10 seconds.
And
And to retrieve, how much time you may require?
10.
Another 10 seconds.
20.
So what you were struggling to achieve in 45 plus 45 seconds, now